And tonight we're also hearing from several of the city's top leaders. Let's start with Police Commissioner Designate Daryl D'Souza. He says in part, our job moving forward is to earn back the trust and respect of the community. I assure you that rooting out anyone who thinks they can tarnish the badge and violate our citizens' rights is a top priority of mine. Baltimore City Fraternal Order of Police had this to say. In the case of Hersl and Taylor, the jury has spoken. We wish that the discovery of their crimes had occurred earlier, but we trust Commissioner Designate D'Souza's strategies for seeking out corruption within our ranks will be successful. Mayor Catherine Pugh also weighed in saying, quote, I am confident that this sordid chapter of policing culture can be closed as we work each and every day to reestablish trust and confidence that our citizens need and deserve to have in their police officers. Also, Ivan Bates, candidate for Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office, responded to the verdict by saying, we, the citizens of Baltimore, ask that the current Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office inform us of the prosecutor who tipped off members of the Gun Trace Task Force to investigations of the misconduct. State's Attorney Mosby responded with this statement tonight.
So I think when we look at what has happened with this egregious sort of trial, I think it's really important that we have a unique opportunity to really implement criminal justice reform and police accountability reform, and I look forward to working with our partners and able to do that.
Mosby goes on to say that corruption must be driven out and that she plans to work with federal, state, and local partners to strengthen the criminal justice system.